Hello there, this is a super quick tutorial on how to install clothing on your Crispy Bunny avatar. First of all, obviously you need to get it all set up in Unity. Once you've done that, it's very straightforward. You need to find your Crispy accessories folder. Then you can look at the current default assets and hopefully maybe a few that will be coming in the future added onto this list. However, let's first go and assume you want to add some clothing. So let's add some leg and arm warmers. So you go into the folder, you'll find a base which has this little icon next to it. That's the same for all of the bases for the different clothing and accessories. You simply drag and drop onto the specific base that you're using. There is a masculine and a feminine base. So I've just dropped directly onto the text for the masculine base avatar, and now there are warmers. You can't necessarily see them in Unity, but I will show you at the end of this tutorial how to actually test without having to upload to VRChat. So we have our warmers. Let's come out. Let's put on some hoodie. We can go to the masculine version of the hoodie. Some of these bases come in masculine and feminine options. Just make sure you use the correct one. So we're going to drag that on. Everything gets dragged onto this main title. So drag that in. Now we have a hoodie. Hoodie is visible, but again, these will all be testable actually in Unity. Again, I'll show you that at the end. Let's come back in here. Let's go to shirts and shorts. And again, there is a masculine and feminine base for the shirts and shorts. We can drag that in. And now we have the base on for shirts and shorts. Please remember though that for this particular one, it's slightly different. There are different styles. So what you can do for that is come back out to the main folder, go into your styles folder, and in here there are some default styles, which you can simply drag on the same way you do everything else. And now we have an orange tank top style in on this avatar. We're going to do the same thing with some shorts, so some black long shorts. And let's leave that the way it is. So we've got ourselves now a pair of shorts, a tank top, a hoodie, a hoodie, and a set of warmers. Okay, that's it for basically installing these different bits of clothing. What you can now do is, if you want, you can also go to the Creator Companion and you can install the Gesture Manager emulator, which is extremely useful. That will allow you to test your clothing before you upload it to VRChat. So you want to go to your Creator Companion app, and in here you want to find your Manage Projects, and then you want to find Gesture Manager, and you just want to click Add if it's not already there, and then it will just add the latest version. That's all you need to do there. Then you come up to here and just press Gesture Manager Emulator and click it, and it will appear at the top here. Then you just press play. And now you'll see this is how your avatar will appear when it is initially in VRChat. What you can do is over on this side, this is actually the actual gesture emulation. And you can see here all the different gestures and the actual menus that you will see when you're in VRChat. So first of all, you want to make sure that it's accessing the right base. It's currently got the feminine base is currently being used. So we're going to come over here and drag and drop into this. We're going to drag it here, and you can see now that this is now animating, and this is ready to actually test. So we're going to go to expressions, we're going to go to our clothing, we're going to go to top, and we're going to start to switch these on and off to check that they are working, and of course they are. We're going to go with the warmers as well, and we can switch on the hoodie and switch them on and off, double check they're all working, and they are. We can then go into the bottoms, and we can see the bottoms that we also attached. We can switch those both on. And yeah, that's basically how you test your clothing in Unity without uploading to VRChat. All the clothing is automatically sized to your body shape when it gets uploaded. So if I set my avatar to be very rotund, if I set the belly to be large, the clothing would be set to be the correct size for those blend shapes. And we can look at blend shapes in a different tutorial. But that's it. Hopefully you have got some good insight from this, and you can see how easy it is to add clothing to your avatar. Happy hopping, and yeah, have a great day. Bye bye.